Stephanie here from Southern Girl Cooks. Today we are going to be making fried chicken. It is a simple meal. It's got breading on the outside. You're going to throw a little bit of gravy. You can go with a brown gravy or white gravy. But without further ado, let's get started. Guys, we're making simple fried chicken today. So the first thing that we're going to start with is whatever type of chicken that you like. I'm using chicken breast, but I've also made it with chicken thighs as well. And you want to flatten these out a little bit, but you're going to flatten them out to the thickness that you prefer. So what I like to do, and there's several different ways that you can do it, but what I like to do is to get a rolling pin and flatten it out that way and just give it a nice little bump so that you can flatten it out. So I'm just going to continue flattening these out, and then we're gonna get our flour mixture together. So now that we've gotten these flatter, what we're going to do is just introduce in our flour or bread these. Now, you can make flour mixture. I do it all the time, or you can just buy some. And these are just some that I've used. I'm actually gonna be using this one today. And like I said, this is a simple meal. And so as a result of it being simple, I just picked some stuff up from the grocery store. This is another one that I like to use. And here's another one that I've used. Now these come already seasoned, so that's what makes it a simple recipe, is that you don't really have to add anything to it. So we're just gonna get the chicken breaded. You wanna coat it. Now, if you want a thicker crust, you can certainly mix up some milk and some egg and then dip the chicken in the milk egg mixture and then roll it in the flour. But I don't want a super thick crust on this, and so that's why I've chosen not to do that, okay? So we're just gonna continue this. Okay, so we've breaded our chicken. So now what we're going to do is just gently drop it in our oil. We've allowed our oil to heat to 350 degrees. Now you can certainly use a larger pot or skillet than what I'm using. I'm actually only going to cook just a little bit for me, and so as a result of that, I don't need a large pot. So we're just gonna let that fry until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just depending on how thick you got it. Once this is done, we're gonna throw our gravy on it and have our meal. Okay guys, so our chicken is ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that out. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to just let it drain for a couple of minutes on a paper towel. And then we're gonna get our gravy. Now, for our gravy, we have a couple of options. We can make our gravy, of course, but again, this is a quick meal. So you can grab some Pioneer, it doesn't have to be Pioneer, but some country white gravy, brown gravy. Here's Tony Chachere's, I use that sometime. I've got some McCormick's poultry gravy. So it's up to you, like I said, or you could just make your own. It's time to taste it. Okay guys, so we've got everything here. I've just opted to have a sweet baked potato with mine. And I've got my chicken. I put the gravy on it. Guys, this meal took about maybe 10 minutes. Super simple, super easy. I just want to cut this down the middle to show you guys that it is cooked all the way through. Okay, cooked all the way, okay? I hope that you guys can see that. Anywho, so we're gonna give it a taste. Smells amazing. That's really good. I decided to have the poultry gravy with mine. I was gonna do the Tony Chachere's, but I opted to have the poultry gravy. So, guys, give it a try. It's really tasty, it's simple. It's a crowd pleaser for sure. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching Southern Girl Cooks. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and comment down below, guys. Where are you tuning in from?